In this video, we are going to understand what is triangle. So, in a triangle chapter, first of all, we should know what is a congruence of triangle. So, what does it mean, congruence? So, if we talk about congruence in a simple word, we can say congruence means equal. And here we are talking about triangle. So, congruency of triangle. So, if we compare two triangles, for example, triangle ABC and another triangle, that is triangle DEF. So when we can say these both triangles are congruent. So there are two conditions for congruency of triangles. Two conditions. First condition says if all the corresponding sides of triangle are equal, then triangles are congruent. So first condition is all corresponding sides are equal. All corresponding sides are equal. So we can say that side AB is equals to side DE and side AC is equals to side DF. So AC is equals to DF. Third side BC is equals to side EF. If all these sides are equal, then we can say both these triangles are congruent. So, second condition for congruency of triangle is all the angles of these triangles must be equal. So, we know three angles for this triangle and three angles for this triangle. So, second condition say all the angles must be equal. Then we can say both the triangles are congruent. So we can say angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle angle B is equals to angle E, and angle C is equals to angle F. So all these angles are equal to each other and all these sides are equal to each other, then we can say both these triangles are congruent. How we can write that the triangles are congruent? So we can write that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. If one triangle is congruent to another triangle, then another triangle is also congruent to first triangle. This is all about the congruency of triangle. Now let's understand what are the criteria for congruence of triangle. So let's understand the criteria of congruence of triangle. So the first criteria for congruence of triangle, we can say that for triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, three angles and three sides are given there. So first criteria is SAS. SAS stands for side, angle, side. What this criteria says? This criteria says if the triangle is having two sides and one angle is equal, then both these triangles are congruent. Let's say this side AB is equal to side DE and this side AC is equal to side DF and angle A is equals to angle D. Then the SAS criteria is fulfilled and both these triangles are congruent. Let's say AB is equals to DE. Then second AC is equal to DF. Both sides are equal and one angle A is equals to angle D. Suppose this is given, then both these triangles are congruent. Then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. This is the side criteria. Second criteria for congruence of triangle is ASA. ASA stands for angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. And this criteria says if two angles and one side are equal of the given triangle, then these triangles are congruent. Let's say two angles, angle A and angle B, are congruent to angle D and angle F, and one side AB and DE, maybe whatever side is given from three of the side are given, then we can say these triangles are congruent. So let's say angle A is equals to angle D, angle B is equals to angle E, and one side, that is AB, is equals to D are equal, then we can say that these triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. By which criteria? By angle, side, angle criteria. Now let's understand the third criteria of congruence of triangle. So the third criteria of congruence of triangle is angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. AAS. AAS, we can say that angle, angle, side. So this criteria of congruence says that if two angles and one side are equal, then the triangles are equal. Let's say, suppose triangle A is equal to triangle D and triangle C is equal to triangle F, and one side, whatever is the side, suppose this baseline are equal, then we can say both these triangles are congruent to each other. Let's say triangle A is equal to triangle D. Angle C is equal to angle F, and side BC is equals to side EF. All these are equal, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by AAS. This is the two angle and one side equal criteria of congruence of triangle. Now let's understand what are the fourth criteria for congruence of triangle. So fourth criteria is SSS. SSS stands for side, side and side. If three of the side of triangle is equal, in that case we can say both these triangles are congruent. For example, AB is equal to DE, BC is congruent to EF, and AC is equal to DF. Then both these triangles are congruent. Let's say AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF. Then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SSS, side, side, side criteria of congruence of triangle. Fifth criteria of congruence of triangle, that is RHS. RHS stands for right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse side of triangle. This criteria of congruence of triangle is for right triangles. The fourth criteria we seen is for triangle, whatever type of triangle is there, but this particular criteria is for a right triangle only. So right angle hypotenuse sides criteria says that if the hypotenuse side of one triangle must be equal to the hypotenuse side of other triangle, and one other side must also be equal, then the RHS criteria is fulfilled. Let's say the hypotenuse of this triangle is AC and hypotenuse of this triangle is DF. So if AC is equals to DF and BC is equals to EF, baseline BC is equals to EF. if both the sides are equal, and we know right triangle, triangle B and triangle C are triangle E are equal. Triangle B is equals to triangle E because both are the right triangle. Then right triangle, triangle ABC is congruent to another right triangle, that is triangle DEF, by RHS criteria of congruence of triangle.